getting my seeds ready for October. Oh, well, actually, we're already about a week into October, so I'm a little late. But here's the thing, they're really easy to do. I have some lettuces here. Let's see, I have some cos, some loose leaf. I also have some radishes that I'm going to start again in the next couple of weeks. And there's also turnips. I'm going to try that for the first time this year. I'm doing another kale plant. I already have one out there, but I want to start another one from seed. Then I think I'm going to do some spinach and some cilantro. Just for a quick turnaround, easy to start garden. This is the mesclun. So we're going to do the mesclun. We're doing the loose leaf blend, Grand Rapids, and Little Gym. And these are containers from the Dollar Tree. I grew lettuce in these last year. My loose leaf, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So I'm gonna do it again, and then I'm gonna try the little gems in the bottom tower there. So let's start here. We're gonna start with this. Here, I don't know if you can see that, how small they are. I'm just going to make little divots in this first one and sprinkle a couple of seeds in each. Then I'll thin them out later. But this is super easy to grow, super easy to start. So just a couple of these small little seeds here. Put that one there. I'm trying to do like 2, maybe 3 per little divot here. And I love this because you can cut and come again with this. It's so easy. Mesclun. Oh, and I have one of these cute little ceramic labels that says lettuce there, so super cute, super cute. Okay, moving on to the next. Grand Rapids. This is also another one of my favorites. For loose leaf, sometimes they can be a little wimpy, but this one has a nice little crisp, so I wanted to make sure to do that one again this year. Pretty much the same as the other seeds. These are just a bit darker, but kind of flat. Almost looks like a little spice, but it's a seed. If you can see that. And the last one is another blend. This is just the loose leaf blend. I think the difference between this one and the other one, there's I don't know which lettuce it is, but it has like a little spice to it. So this one I grew earlier this season, and this was really nice as well. I did this with the Grand Rapids, but I also want to try the mesclun. So nice little salad area up here. A good portion of my garden was all seeds this year. I would say about 90-95% of it. Just a few transplants for herbs that I wanted, and I couldn't find seeds for. It was chocolate mint, orange mint. Even though I was growing spearmint and peppermint, they could be tricky, so I also got transplants for those. Plus I love mint, so any extra mint is fine with me. So this is a loose leaf. And the last one is a cos or romaine, and that one is Little Gym. For these, I'm going to add to the bottom stacker. I only have it stacked in 2 because I have it on top of a larger plant stand, so I didn't need it too tall and have all that top weight. So I'm just going to try a a couple of seeds in one hole because these are fall, so these are romaine. It should be just enough room for one each side. But let me show you the seeds. And these are the seeds. A little lighter in color, a little bit longer, easier to grasp than the other seeds. But that's for the romaine. And I'm just going to do one right in the center. This way, and then we'll just label this one. I'll just put it in here so I can see. Actually, back here. Oh, maybe on the side. And then water those in. And there you have it, that easy. So I'll check back and see the status. In about a week or two, I should see some sprouts. We have our little gem romaine. We have our mesclun. I think that's how you say it. Our looseleaf blend over here. And then the Grand Rabbit in that little corner. So this should all fill up. It'll be a nice little salad area. And these are flowers from my garden. Those are some zinnias and my strawberry tower. But I also plan on... Ooh, and this glows up at night. It's so cute. It looks like it's pouring out like sparkling water, I guess. But anywho, next we're gonna do what is that called? Radishes. Oh my goodness. Over on this area. I'm gonna give radishes another try and we'll see how it goes. But for now, we shall wait till these germinate and have some nice, crisp fall salad. Alrighty, see you next time. Bye!